LGBTQ plus couples mark Pride Month with Holy Union rites, celebrating love and commitment while renewing calls for marriage equality in the Philippines. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayao reports.
In line with Pride Month celebration this June, LGBTQ plus couples unite through Holy Union rites, a ceremony that affirms love by renewing calls for marriage equality in the Philippines. Among them were Ruru and Asha, who tied the knot after nearly 2 years of being together.
Sobrang saya kasi syempre, not all people accept talaga yung ganitong pangyayari. Pero kasi ngayon, nakaramdam kami ng freedom talaga. At least finally na yung tinitignan lang namin na iba ng mga vlogger na nagpakasal ngayon, nandito na kami. Kami naman yung we're now married na.
For the couple, the event is a public declaration of their commitment to each other despite the absence of legal recognition for same-sex marriage in the Philippines.
Gusto namin sa isa't isa na mapatunayan talaga sa buong mundo na mahal talaga namin yung isa't isa, na talagang walang boundaries talaga yung pagmamahal, diba? Love is acceptance.
The Holy Union rite was officiated by the LGBTS Christian Church Philippines, which has been solemnizing LGBTQ plus unions for 15 years.
So we need marriage equality because it's a right, no? It's a human right. It is not a religious issue, but it's equal protections of the law. Mas maganda pa rin talaga kung merong pagkilalang estado sa pagmamahalan or pagsasama ng dalawang tao, lalaki man at lalaki, babae man at babae. Pag meron ng batas, at least in some way or another, malilesen yung bigotry, hate, and discrimination kasi legal na kami.
For now, same-sex marriage remains unrecognized under the Philippine law. Yet Reverend shares that more than 8,000 couples have already undergone its Holy Union rites over the past 15 years. And while some Filipinos start to openly discuss the topic, the church hopes for a bigger and kinder conversation.
Masarap na may katuwang sa buhay, no? In the spirit of ecumenism, let us respect each other's belief to make us a better society, a better world to live in. I hope that one day ang issue ng marriage equality sa Pilipinas ay sana maging accepting, affirming, at loving din sa lahat ng tao.
While legal recognition remains out of reach, Asha and Ruru say they already have what matters most: their love for each other and the support of their family.
Actually, wala naman po kami masamang tinapay sa ano. Basta andyan yung family namin, both side. Nakasuporta sila sa amin. Yun lang, masaya na kami parehas doon.
Kami ang gumawa ng desisyon na to. Kami lang yung pwedeng mag-suggest, magkaroon ng opinion. Walang ibang tao.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.